Yeah, I'll get you. I'll get you. You don't mind if I'm just gonna move it right up here real quick. I like the way that sounds. It's got a little bit of oil in it, not too bad. How long has it been here?
Am I supposed to do that? You don't cut it off while the fan's running. The fan's still running. Huh? The fan's still running, the key's off. Yeah, it's pulling nothing but juice from the battery, you asshole. Hook that up for him.
How long was it here? How long have you been here for, bud?
About an hour.
Oh shit, dude.
Holy shit. Back on top of him? That's a good thing we come this way. Was he with a group? His girlfriend went walking about an hour ago.
Oh
Right,
shit.
so
She's probably further down.
Well, no, they're on four-wheelers.
they're on four.
Side by side, four-wheeler about 10 deep.
Oh.
Oh, so you were in the back of the group.
They just made a wrong turn in Albuquerque here.
Yeah.
Good.
You want some water or something? Yeah, we got some water.
Cut it off.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, you got one? Okay.
Here's somebody here in a red side by side.
Yeah, I'll take it.
It's not cold, but it's cool.
Y'all missing somebody?
No.
No? Okay.
You don't have her number or anything, do you?
Hold on. Get the phone?
Anybody got the phone on them?
I don't have my phone.
I got my phone on my side by side, but
Well, he can't climb in yours. You gotta climb in that thing.
You got room for him? Let's call him over there then.
Your call has been.
You all right?
He's in a side by side.
When I came across this side, I didn't realize it was that deep, that steep, you know.
Yeah, and you just fucking
And I came off and poof.
shoulder straight into the ground. That clay don't give.
Like, hell no.
yes, sir. I'm getting service over here.
Oh, he's.
Tell them go to the end of the hell trail and follow it around to the right. Just stay left. Once you take a right in front of the hell trail, tell them just stay left.
Fuck, man. I gotta work for Monday.
Need any help up?
Yeah, don't push with your left hand. You see where that collarbone's jacked.
I'll tell you what,
You all right?
you want to get in the back of mine, I'll take you back down to the hell trail right here. It's only like 5 minutes.
You said you've always wanted to ride a Honda, buddy. There's your chance.
There you go.
You don't mind if we ride your bike back for you?
If you crank it, dog, go ahead.
Oh, it started up. We got it.
Oh, hell. Go ahead.
All right.
All right, so we're gonna put you in a side by side, and somebody gonna ride that back.
Hey, pull up a little bit.
Yeah. Let me get out the way.
The people that own the place, if you call up to the front, if something ever happens and you call to the front and you
Yeah.
tell them where they are,
Yeah.
they will bring help to come and get you.
Okay. Will they charge them?
I don't think they'll charge you.
Cause I know they have like $100
That's for a towing fee.
towing fee. Okay.
If it's got to have a bike towed, that's different.
Okay, no.
For help,
Okay. Good.
How long is it gonna take him to get out here?
It'll take us almost, what, 10 minutes to get to them?
No,
He's on his
how
way.
long is it gonna take them to get out of
They
here?
gonna probably go around to the blacktop and get on. Yeah, they'll be there.
We're gonna bring it back to the campsite in the feed section.
He said his old lady's name is Cameron.
He has her
Yeah.
Man, I got old lady here. That's something called a lie.
Yeah, that's what
That's something I call a lie.
His friends are.
They haven't texted back or nothing like that. That's crazy. They didn't come back.
Can you get his old lady on the phone?
I tried. They weren't answering.
I said when I first met her,
She said she walked off?
I guess so. I don't fully understand the whole situation. What's up? And he's with the group 10 deep apparently, and they just kept on going. That's kind of.
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah.
That's not what you broke on.
Yeah. Yeah.
I broke mine before. It sucks.
For about an hour, I was hollering.
Yeah, I was about to go.
Before you yeah.
An hour?
Yeah.
He was there for an hour.
Nobody hardly ever goes up the hill trail this time of the day.
Luckily, Shorty was like, let's go this way. So
The only reason we went up there is because he got new tires and we wanted to try it out up there.
I heard you holler. I heard you over my bike, and then I hollered at him. So we're following y'all.
Going to the gate.
Man, I appreciate y'all though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we going this way to the road?
Y'all chopping
No, we ain't going down the road.
Okay.
Y'all want me to go ahead and bring him to the beach?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach.
Let's see how we bring him to the beach.
Okay.
No, it's not. Creektown?
No. My neighborhood.
Oh,
We're good within 2 miles of our house.
about to say I got me a ticket at Creektown.
We're running to the gas station.
My buddy's house is on the same road that gas station's on, and we asked one of the constables permission, and he gave us permission. But the chief of police for the city police was right there when we came out and said, "Fuck your constable, I'm giving you a ticket."
God dang. Hey Chris, did that Honda convince you to get one? You can't turn.
You can't turn it.
Oh, is it messed up?
It looks fine.
Oh damn. Oh shit, I can feel it moving over here. Fuck. You know, Chris, you don't need to be doing that. You're gonna spear right through that thing.
Got a good wave.
Yeah, fuck. We're all gonna be going back to the B section, I guess.
It's got water running under it.
That's crazy.
Big old titty.
That's what I was about to do. Ah.
that.